In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal as a payment method on Etsy. If you're an Etsy shopper and prefer the convenience of using PayPal, this guide is for you. We'll walk through all the necessary steps to ensure you can complete your purchase smoothly using this popular payment option. So let's dive in. To get started, the first thing you'll want to do is log into your Etsy account. Head over to the Etsy website, and if you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you're all set to explore and shop. Next, browse through the vast array of unique items available and add your selections to your cart. When you're ready to make your purchase, proceed to the checkout page. It's here that we'll focus on adding PayPal as your method of payment. You'll see a section labeled How You'll Pay. This is where all your payment options are displayed. Now look for PayPal among the available payment methods and select it. By choosing PayPal, you're opting for a secure and straightforward way to complete your transaction without having to enter your credit card details each time. Once you've selected PayPal, you'll notice a button that says Pay with PayPal. Click on this button and you'll be redirected to a PayPal login page. This is your cue to enter your PayPal credentials. If you haven't used PayPal before, you might need to set up an account, but assuming you already have an account, simply input your email address and password, then log in. Once you're logged into your PayPal account, you'll need to follow a series of prompts that guide you through the payment process. This typically involves confirming your payment details and verifying the transaction. PayPal will show you a summary of your purchase, allowing you to double-check everything before finalizing the transaction. When you're satisfied with all the details, confirm your payment, and you're done. You'll automatically be directed back to Etsy, where a confirmation of your purchase will be displayed. You should also receive an email from both Etsy and PayPal detailing the transaction, giving you peace of mind that everything went through correctly. So, there you have it, a complete walkthrough to adding PayPal as a payment method on Etsy. This method not only provides an additional layer of security to your purchases, but also offers a convenient and fast checkout experience. Thanks for joining me, and happy shopping.